Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we'll do a comparison between Anytype and Logseq. We know all the features of these two apps. So guys, let's get started with Anytype. It is secure and centralized and fast loading time and security, open code, guys. And you can management your all dogs and teams and groups calendar, and we have all features, guys. As you can see here, you have a local device encryption, and you have encryption keys, and nobody can stop from accessing your data. Offline creation control, you can control your data on the server or no gatekeepers, peer-to-peer sync, local network, and trust not believe. Local store your data, you can store your data. Open protocol, you can build apps freely, no promotions. So guys, this is all the features. As you can see here, powerful no code creation, compass anything. Imagine you have database here, you have template, you can edit your template here for your content. So guys, the price, if I check the price here, pricing, it is this is the price, 99 per years for builder and creator, 299. So guys, Logseq, it is also structure, you can manage. You have task manager, and you have PDF annotations and flashcards, whiteboard. This is the new Logseq, this open toolbox for workflow that deals with lots of information. You can build your database from this app, guys. You have community and jobs. You can download this for Windows here as a resources. You have community on Discord, and you have a channel on YouTube. This is the Logseq, guys. It is you have this option, daily plan and journaling and data control. So guys, if I check, this is open source on GitHub and privacy first, available also on mobile apps. You have up to 150 plugins, localization and theme. This is the website, guys, Logseq. The price, guys, you can try the demo here. So guys, this is the good apps you can use for the Anytype. This is good for low cost, guys. If you want to purchase for, you can use this one. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you in another video soon.